Well, we got a tropical depression too. At 10 p.m. PST, CTT. I mean, it's PST now at my time. It's poorly organized, but they found a well-defined LSC based on recon, and that's all you need: closed LSC, convection, and you get a depression. But this is a very weak depression, only 25 knots. It's moving about 295 by 7. The subtropical ridge to the east and northeast of the cycle should steer the system generally west-northwest for the next couple of days, bringing the center to the eastern coast of Mexico near the 24-hour point. Yeah, we can show you. It's the 95E, another system which is frankly stronger. Here's the track into Mexico, which is in line with the models. I mean, literally nothing is up in the air for this system. I actually think there's a chance that it doesn't become a tropical storm, but remains pretty much a depression. Look how it's a very shitty system. It's about right in here, but there's a chance once it moves closer to land, you get convergence, which means you get tightening caused by friction, which causes a rising of the air or reducing the area particles rise, which causes um, your column of air to reach its dew point, which releases its energy, and which could strengthen this system during the last 6 to 12 hours into a tropical storm. We'll have to see. Yep. Here's 95E. This is much more organized. Clear LSC, clear kind of action banning. The fact that they're not upgrading this while they upgraded this is a joke. And at 80, 90 during the next 2 to 7 days, it is well defined. I'm sorry, but it just fucking is. It should move offshore Mexico, west-northwest and northwestward. I'm thinking it's going to become a hurricane in about 60 to 72 hours. And models have definitely show about 75 knot hurricane, most likely. About 60 to 72 hours before it starts weakening, moves in the colder water. Yeah. So Flossie will definitely be a storm worth watching. Well, I mean, I say it's 50-50 whether the depression becomes a tropical storm, which would be very. I'm not even going to talk about longer term, but we have to watch the system in the Northeast Gulf further out. But we're not going to talk about that right now. Maybe tomorrow morning. We can. There is something else in East Pacific a little bit interesting. This little system right here, but it's unlikely because colder water just to the north. But it is interesting. Some models have hinted at this westward system. That's truck update.